Ever pondered why some people seem to effortlessly navigate their career path, while others struggle to find their footing? It might just be because they understand the concept of the matrix of employment. But don't worry, we're not about to dive into a sci-fi film. The matrix of employment is a simple but powerful tool that can help anyone unlock their career potential. So, what exactly is this matrix of employment? Imagine a grid where one axis represents your skills and the other represents the job market. This grid is the matrix of employment. The intersection of your skills and the current job market can help you identify the opportunities that are the best fit for you. On one axis, you have your skills. These can be anything from your technical knowledge to your soft skills like communication or leadership. The key here is to understand not just what your skills are, but how they can be applied in different contexts. It's about thinking beyond the job titles and considering the actual tasks and responsibilities that you could excel at. On the other axis, you have the job market. This is about understanding what skills are in demand, what industries are growing, and where the opportunities are. It's about keeping a finger on the pulse of the job market and being ready to adapt as it changes. Now imagine plotting your skills onto this matrix. Where do they align with the job market? Where are the gaps? This is where the matrix of employment becomes a tool for strategic career planning. It can help you identify where you should focus your learning and development, what types of jobs you should be targeting, and even what industries you might want to explore. So, to recap, the matrix of employment is a tool that helps you align your skills with the job market. It's about understanding your skills in a wider context and keeping an eye on the job market to identify where your skills can be most valuable. And most importantly, it's about using this information to strategically plan your career and seize the opportunities that are the best fit for you. Remember, the matrix of employment isn't a one-time exercise. The job market is always changing, and your skills will evolve too. So, revisit your matrix regularly, adjust your strategy as needed, and keep moving forward on your career path. So to sum up, the matrix of employment is a strategic tool that helps you understand your skills, scan the job market, and plan your career accordingly. It's about finding where your skills intersect with the job market and leveraging that information to navigate your career path. So, don't just wander aimlessly in your career. Take control, understand your matrix of employment, and unlock your full career potential. After all, it's not about finding a job, it's about finding the right job for you.